Special greetings my dear students. Today in this video class we are going to learn about networking terminology. So if you are coming to the networking terminology, this all are the things we have to learn. Means we have to learn. Today I will explain in a very brief way because already I taught. So internet means a network of network. Internet we can say network of network means entire world. Okay, entire world will come in this internet. Entire world will come in this internet. At any country, all countries, if anyone is connected to the internet, so we will come in a world network. We can say it is a world network or network of network. Next one is a intranet. Intranet means the opposite of the internet. What is the opposite of internet? Internet means a world network. Intranet means it is not a world network, it is a network within an organization. Example, our school LFS. In our school, in each class smart board is there. That all smart board will come in a intranet. Intranet means a within an organization. After that, bandwidth. Students, bandwidth means don't think that much very big. Per second, how much speed data transmission is there? That is called bandwidth. Example, when we are buying modem, per second 100 Mbps means per second 100 Mbps data it will transfer. Per second, how much in particular fixed amount of time, how much data it is transferring? It can mostly it measured by kilobytes or megabytes. Okay. Next upcoming advanced technology is the Li-Fi. It will go in a GB per second. But currently we are using only Mbps per second. Per second in fixed amount of time. In a 1 minute, how much internet it is, how much data we are getting or uploading, means we receiving. That is called bandwidth. And ISP, Internet Service Provider. If you want to access any information from the internet, YouTube or Google or any, if you want to use the internet, you should get access from ISP, Internet Service Provider. Mostly in India, all the telecom services, all the telecom networks, they are providing a ISP, Internet Service. They are providing. Example, Vodafone, BSNL, Jio. These all are the telecom service. They are providing internet to us. We have to pay some money. Next one, website. Students, please kindly focus here. Everyone will get confused or having doubt in a website and a web portal. What is the difference between website and web portal? Now just you imagine, I opened a Google web page. Okay, I opened the Google web page. I am searching about the computer, means I am searching computer CPU. I am searching CPU in a Google page. So what will happen? So when we will search, many information will come in a blue underlined line. Many pages link will come. When we will click, it will open another page. So this is a website. This is a website. When we will open the web page, you can able to view that information normally. Means we can able to view, we can able to learn, or we can able to take a notes. This is a website. And if you coming to the web portal, website, web portal, both are internet only, both are web pages only. But in a website, whatever you are searching, we can able to go and you can able to view. But if you are coming to the web portal, you should need a login, user ID, password. Example, net banking. Okay, net banking is a web portal. Or our school website is enough. If you want to see your result, everyone cannot able to see your result. Only you can able to see your result, like unique. Or only our school members can able to see a notice. If any information given to parents or students or timetable through our web portal, only our school members or our school students parents they can able to view the information. Now any other person is coming and they are searching in the internet in LFS when is the exam, where is the timetable, they cannot able to get. Means if it is in a website, if we upload it they can able to. LFS is a website, but when you are logging inside you are seeing your information, correct, that will come in a web portal. Means campus care, when you are logging inside it is showing your name, your admission number, your class, and what is the circular, and any information, any notice is there, it will show, that is a web portal. Now are you clear? Website means no need login ID, no need password, we can able to access. But if you are coming to the web portal, you should need a login ID, username, password, and only selected members can able to access a web portal. Mostly companies, schools, colleges, this all will come in a web portal. And web pages. In internet, whatever pages you are seeing, that is the web pages only. Okay, if you are seeing a video, that video also will play only on web page. So internet means it depend on full and full web pages. Next, home page. Students, web page, home page, difference kindly see. Now I am opening www.google.com. First page it is opening now, that is called home page. First page of the website is called home page. www.lfsgiro.com or LFS, when we are opening our school website, first page is there na, that is a home page. First page is called home page. When you are logging inside, it is called web portal. When you are logging inside, the web page is different, means a website. It is different when you are logging inside. The content, whatever you are seeing, it will be different. So web page, web portal, both are different. Okay, home page means the first page of the site. If you are seeing www.cbse.com, a first page is called home page. Okay, www.indus.com or Times, Indian Express. So this all are the website. When you are seeing first page is coming, it is called home page. Next one is a link. A link means it holds some connection. Link means it holds some connection of some particular file. If we are here A and here is a B. In this one file is there, file name is a. So when we are clicking the link, automatically it will go to that particular file. We can able to open. So link is a, what to say, we can able to say it is a media. Medium we seen already wireless connection like that. So means it will, we can able to access that particular file. It hold a link of some particular file address, some particular system address, that is called link. Hyperlink. Students, link means it hold some particular address. If you are coming to the hyperlink, when you are clicking the particular, means in a Google computer, you are searching computer and you are clicking search button. So blue color underlined text will come many. So you can able to see the underlined. Okay, when you are clicking that, it will open a new page. Okay, hypertext means a hyperlink. That is a hyperlink. And hypertext, text storing the link now, that is called hypertext. Again I am saying hyperlink. When you are clicking, it will open a new page. In that new page you can able to access the content. That is a hyperlink. Hypertext, that particular text is holding some link, it is a hypertext. Hypermedia. If the link is storing any video or audio, it is called hypermedia. A link means it can store any type of file. It can store a document, or it can store a software, or it can store a audio, or it can store a video. If a file can store that link can store a video, what is that, media, audio or video, that is called a hypermedia. Next one, URL. Students, now listen. In internet, millions of pages are there. we cannot able to count. Okay, we cannot able to count that much web pages are there, that much informations are available in a internet. One thing you have to remember, how much pages are there, each pages are having a unique address, means what the page what the particular page is having the address, that address will not